Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to fix something went wrong. There was a problem connecting to account.google.com. So here are the simple ways on how you can fix the issue. So the first step here, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So if you can try to Wi-Fi, maybe you can try also mobile data or data connection. Now, once you're connected to stable internet connection, now let's go to the next method, which is the phone settings. So here in the phone settings, you want to go in the search box and type right here reset. Or maybe you can type reset network settings. Right. In this case, I'm going to go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. So this will reset all network settings, including, right? So just need to tap on the reset settings. So it should be fixed the issue. But if the problem persists, the next option or method that we are going to do is by going to the About Phone. So make sure that your software is updated. So go to About Phone and update your software on your Android. Now, the next step here that I want you to do is by going to Google Support. So open your browser here on Google Chrome and search for support.google.com. And here you can describe your issue. You can type right here any issue that you want and try Google to help you with the issue. Right. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.